Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up date and time on the Sony A6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the setup section, so this yellow toolbox section, and then we're going to go to page number 5 and select date and time setup. And here you have a few options that you can change. For example, daylight savings, you can enable or disable that. You can select the date format, so any of these options. And here is the date/time option where you can change the date itself, so the time, the day, month and year. And you can do that by selecting the option that you want to change and then using the arrows to change that option. And once you're done, you can just press on the select button, so this button here, to save the settings. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.